Citi and JPM upgraded at Daiwa Securities. See upside for bank stocks in 24. They lift their rating to positive. Citi goes to buy, JPM goes to buy. I know you can't comment on the stock specifically, but the group you can.
Yes. I actually am pretty positive about banks in 2024, but I want to be very clear. Anything that I'll say about small caps and banks and some of the other cyclical sectors, that's probably after we do have some type of a drawdown. I'm not saying it has to be big, but there probably is a little bit of a give back, and a lot of these sectors have done very well very quickly. But if you look at the bank trade, the big banks in 2023 benefited a lot, obviously, from the stress that regional banks were under. I still believe that the regional bank issue is not solved. I think it got saved, but there's still some bumps in the road that are coming, I believe. We've got that bank term funding program that is supposed to expire in March. Who knows what that holds for the sector? So I think big banks probably a better bet. Also, this revival in capital markets activity is promising. If we manage to come out of a yield curve inversion, on the other side of that, good for banks, maybe painful on the way there, but on the other side of that, that could be good for banks as well.
Weiss, so as it relates to this specific call, which I said they lift Citi to buy from neutral, I have a note here that says, if you ever want to own Citi, now's the time. Jane Fraser making some tough decisions. I'm positively inclined.
Yeah.
So you own Bank of America and Goldman.
Yeah.
Does that sound like you're about to get into Citi?
Yeah, I've got to do some work on it. I've heard her speak a couple of times at much smaller events and found her to be very impressive. And she spent her time, taking her time, saying what needs to be done to get a valuation that's at least comparable to my peers. And I think she believes she took those steps. So, I've known the head of banking there, Tyler Dixon, who's one of the best on the street for years, used to work with him. And he's picked up more responsibility, so I like that. And yeah, as you repeated in the note that I said, so if you want to own it and you want to make a bet, now's the time, because your downside is still relatively low and your upside can be significant.
You have JPM.
I do. And at the beginning of the show, you countered my remarks on optimism and being on the offensive with mentioning earnings are coming up, and that potentially could be where the market runs into a challenge. And the financial sector, to me, is the one sector that completely confirms your suspicion, and the one area of the market in which you really have to see that the sector is able to come through with strong earnings, because I don't know that you're going to get that from financials in the upcoming quarter. You've heard so many Citi talk about trading revenue on the decline. We know the earnings expectation for 24 doesn't look good for financials themselves. They really have to prove themselves. I would tread lightly with financials as you move into January.
By the way, look at this chart that we have up on the screen. I mean, it was a brutally tough year for this space until it woke up with the rest of the 493 non-mega cap stocks, mega cap tech names in November, as you see on here. Look at the ramp to get you to 9%, which is still significantly trailing the S&P. But it would look a whole lot different if you stopped it in October.
And two reasons for that. I think as the market broadened out, investors were looking for what hasn't moved. Financials being one of them, number one. And number two, if you're getting this broad rally, that means the IPO window, and if you're getting rates coming down, the M&A window, the highest margin businesses at the banks are going to be coming back into the forefront, and the pipelines are tremendous. So if markets stay at this level, and if rates continue to go down, they should do quite well next year, and that's where the focus may be, rather than the loan books, which I believe aren't going to show much of anything, and credit quality is actually going to show it's worsening.